Alright, now all y'all know me as the Smoking Bear Pit Master, but truth is, this is my first time ever making any rice in my life. I'm a pit master, baby. I ain't see rice on the menu. So we're gonna make some rice and peas and yellow rice. So I hope I ain't jacking it up. Damn, hope it don't boil over. Lord Jesus. My first time cooking rice. It looked like I ain't mess it up. So far, I put enough oil and butter in it so it wouldn't stick at the bottom, as you can see. Ooh, thank God. I think I'm hooking it up. What y'all think about this one? I'm coming out with rib tips and rice, goddamn. Right there, buddy. Damn, right there, boy. I'll be the Black Panda Express. Right there, buddy. Damn it, boy. Right there on your ass. Let's let that simmer and stiffen up, and we're gonna mix that with that. Right there. I'm gonna try to imitate 1 to 20 grams Jamaican dishes. Rice and peas. Right there, buddy. We're gonna put the jerk chicken on top of this shit. Right there, buddy. In about 50 more damn minutes when it's ready. Let's go. New on the menu. Rice and peas and rib tips. Rib tips and rice, goddamn. Jerk chicken and rice. Smoked chicken and rice. Right there, buddy. Want some ribs and rice. Goddamn. Pulled pork mixed with rice. Goddamn. I done came up with a million damn different things. Damn it, boy. And you about to see it in about 45 minutes. Goddamn. Right there, buddy. I done did it. Let me taste it for the first time. Damn it, boy. That's a banger right there. Can't tell you what's in it. But it's a Trinidadian special right there, boy. God damn. Let's go. All right, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, here you go. The Smoking Bear, new to the menu. Smoked jerk chicken. Right there, buddy. And your rice and peas. Look at that seasoning. And I can only do it with AG Born Jamaican. Look them up on YouTube. Juki Jam Jerk Sauce. 5X, baby. Second one. Yeah, barbecue smoked chicken. Right there, buddy. New addition to the smoke trailer. And your rice and peas. Look at that, buddy. 4.5 hour smoke. 5 hour smoke. Right there, buddy. Tell your friends, come on out to Love Joy Fall Festival. We will be there with these new menu items and more. Let's go. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you, you can get a 2-meat combo. You got your jerk chicken right here and your smoked barbecue chicken right here. They don't mind if it touch. And your rice, goddamn. Or you can get mac and cheese, baked beans, collard greens, either one. But look at it. Damn it, boy. You also can have chopped jerk chicken right here with Capital City Mamba sauce, the mound. Right here, buddy. Look at that deal. We are not stingy with our portions. We give you everything you should have and more. Because we feel it is fair to you. I'm trying. Black Panda Express, goddamn. All of that equals that.
What's the marker, babe? Oh, just right here.